Oh, boats. Yeah, it's an invasion. Nice.
Behind the horse. It's a.
Oh, you fucked up now, boy? Oh shit.
Get in! Merson!
Nah, scrap with the bow, scrap with the bow.
We're staying inside, like, please, just... Please stay inside. That's not fine. Doesn't matter. You need to listen to leadership. Just EL needs to listen to your command now, you know, like no two groups and one base. Ah, okay. Cool. Okay, thank you very much. If you go out, you need to have swords, not bows.
Yeah, we're equipping and then we're gonna move out in force.
I'm just gonna follow you guys.
They have eggs in there, my lord. I recommend grabbing 1 or 2.
We're also trying to get organized.
They have exquisite farmers in this land. Most impressive.
It's cause it's drenched in.
Come on, horse. It's so buggy. Like, please take stuff from the gathering hall and not from the walls, because that will be our battles. Weapons and things in the gathering. Don't take your stuff from the chest
Let me show them.
Jack him off!
Let me finish this war with one sword swipe, bro. Let me at their general. Let me talk to him.
Reinforcements have arrived.
This is the staging area.
What
The fuck do we got caravans for? What are we doing?
Are we
Tell them to send their best, dude. Let me fight their best. Tell them to send their best.
It's just
Should we
water.
get like in a shield wall outside behind the gate?
Everyone charge!
Are we charging?
Get back,
Chill,
close the gate.
Back inside.
Get
Get in, you turtles.
Doofuses,
Get in.
Yeah, guys.
Fuck him. He's trapped. Not MPH. MPH is too important, dude. You can't fuck with your first.
Then he's important then, I guess. As long as
Can we
Simon's not
make a
dead.
shield wall?
No point in
the
making
gate.
it.
Yeah, they're forming up outside of the wall. If we don't hit them now, we're just letting him form up for free.
Infantry, if you are getting ready to fight, start a shield wall.
Archers, start shooting off the wall.
Shoot the shield wall in front of the gate.
No, do not form a shield wall outside the gate.
Stay inside.
Why
Just
not?
There's no point. There's a gate there for a reason.
Guys, I mean it. Back the fuck up. Keep the gate closed.
Yeah,
Do
back
not
up and keep
exit
the gate closed.
settlement.
soft talk.
When we are going to push, we are going to push as one. Get inside.
Yeah, that's why we're trying to form up.
Gotta die.
I'm gonna start murdering you guys if you keep opening the gate. Everybody back the fuck up.
Yeah, get away from the gate.
Hey, calm down, bro. Trees.
Take a video and you go.
Well, how many fucking times do you have to be told to keep the gate closed?
Hey, chill out, old man.
Everything is being videoed and he's going on Reddit.
We need more.
When you say children, we are kind of years managing. Trying. Yes, I'm poor. Like,
Torches.
They're gonna be coming in soon.
then I'm going to the...
Yeah, just unload them.
Alright, boys, grab your torches and we're gonna go back to the front.
Do you guys have food?
Yeah. Yeah, with our stuff. If they go out with our stuff...
Alright, Miss Keep Men, let's go back to the front.
And they die, it's our problem, so they can't go out. I didn't cook for nothing. I had 300 berry drinks, there's 86 left. Just saying, you know. Yeah, but yeah. Of course.
Hey, hippie.
Hello.
Can you lock your gate over there, just so that people aren't coming in over the gate right there?
The gate is... the enemies cannot go through that. It's only for players only.
Oh, gotcha.
Salary, can I have coins to lock my homestead? Otherwise I'm gonna steal the food. No, there's empty. I don't have coins. Coins. Yep.
Alright, there you go. It's on the ground.
Yeah, it's alright. I grabbed I grabbed the thing.
Chopper's going.
Shall I take this some swords and put them safe in my house, or leave everything in the middle? There's 15 Caligan swords. Okay. We need people at the base too, because we're vulnerable now. Okay. Oh, hi Steel. Yeah, it's breaking down and fix the labor supply. And then I carry.
Yeah, that's everything. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Okay, I need 2 food or 1 food. Thank you. I don't have access to the supplement. Blah.
There's 100 berries in the town hall, 34 cabbage bread. I'll just put food in the gathering hall again. So 100 berries there. Cabbages. construction.
They're gonna attack through here.
Yeah, there's kind of no gates. They're kind of fucked.
Yeah. So there's a stone wall. Shit. If we can hold here, actually. Get on the other side of the wall, boys. Attack over here.
I mean,
Yeah, this would be the
literally
worst
stuck.
place to fight.
They're literally stuck, dude.
It's just the wall's getting better, man. It's made of rocks, and then it's gonna be the water. What are they doing? Oh, they're using the ladder!
Who
They're using the ladder to get over!
Get on the wall.
Letters, one shot, letters.
Get ready, get ready, get ready!
Guys, give me food, please.
Get ready!
Yeah, chop these trees down, dog.
Chop.
They're
Whoever has an axe,
laddering.
chop the tree down. Whoever has an axe.
Get in a wall, surround the...
Second, boys, I'm chopping the tree.
You
can't kill each other. There's no fucking fire.
Ram, come in, Ram, come in.
You were the dumbest motherfucker I've seen in my life.
Be in front of the ram. Don't be in front.
Archers, you're shooting one another.
Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. The Rams are gonna shoot. Back up a little bit. Fuck these trees, man.
Back up. Back up. Shield wall, back up. Shield wall, back up.
Y'all some bitches. Ram you.
You're gonna hit the ram.
I'll come over that wall and do your ass in.
I wonder how long it's gonna take before the food's gone.
Trying to ram. God, you ain't bitches.
Just let him do it.
I got infinite wood.
Just let him do it.
Your mama came over and they chopped my dick off. They got infinite wood.
Just let him come in, man.
It's gonna take them forever to break the wall down. Might as well repair it at the same time.
Might as well just dismantle the wall. Just let him die.
On that ladder.
Hey, anybody got any repair material?
Yeah, bring repair material. They're gonna push. They're gonna push the second. Archers, get ready.
Archers are getting shot from the
Got
left.
two archers.
Left side, archers, left side. They're coming, they're coming. Shoot archers.
On the ladder, on the ladder, on the ladder.
The ladder.
Hey, dirty hippie, help me. Break this fucking dumbass campfire.
Oh, just
I'm fucking stuck.
Exclamation mark, I'm stuck.
Хуёво получается, отсталый. Чё это?
Nah, I'm just gonna leave him there. Fate was the death.
I get it. It's doing its thing.
So it's the same exact speed in forward and reverse.
Yeah, this way. I couldn't find where the fuck we... Oh yeah, I see.
And don't die with a lot of water, please. Don't walk around.
Ты заебала, отойди уже. Отойди. По своим кентам вон можешь пострелять, попробовать.
We're gonna push the ladder, we're gonna push the ladder!
Hey, what can I find gear at? What can I find gear at? Hippie.
Hey, remnants, let's go. Let's go away from
Climb on buildings if you can. Climb on buildings. There you go. There you go. Get that elevation. That elevation. Get jobby.
Yo, just you guys need some fucking hours.
Who's the guy on the ladder?
Oh, where's...
My bad. Oh shit. Sorry.
Hey, Weber.
Possible use the X to get to the front.
Oh my.
Yo, we got Fang Rush on top of the rock. Archers, Fang Rush on top of the rock.
I cannot do that.
Yo, Fang Rush.
There's water in the farm, like, you've got so much water here. Bunch of idiots filling up my fire. Idiots.
Nice kill. Hey, Steiger, looks like you just shot Shaka just a little bit. Are you ready? Just watch out for your speed.
Push up,
slowly,
Push them.
I got it!
Stay side to side.
Let me out!
Battering ram over here, shoot the battering.
I chose the battering ram!
Someone follow me. Follow me. Someone follow me.
What a nice huzzah you have, man. The only thing you're breaking is your own backbone.
Ok, c'est de la merde. C'est de la merde. On rentre dans la brèche. Un peu de baguette.
Any food I can save, no? I guess. I put all the food together in all
Push.
cabbages. Yeah, oh shit,
Take no prisoners! Don't open it!
I'm sorry you have to die out there.
Shit.
Don't open the gate, don't open the gate, you're dead.
Burn down the buildings. Yeah, let's go.
Kill the chickens! Kill the chickens! Kill the fucking chickens!
But we need more people on the wall. We need more people on the wall. They're gonna come from the wall. They're gonna come from the wall.
Right now, they are taking the
Whoever's
wall.
on this was not very good.
Alright, boys, alright.
The breach in the south gates!
and the scorpion. I'm gonna get the scorpion.
They're in. Go to the wall.
Does anybody have a shield? A spare shield?
Town hall has shields. Breach the fort wall on the coast. They breached the fort wall on the coast. We're fighting over the aqueduct on the wall.
What the fuck is King John? The infantry on the wall, they're getting up there.
The assault's up here.
Does anybody got food?
Oh, Hawk!
Reinforcement supply, guys.
What are you doing?
We need this.
Hold. Oh, boys, the fuck. Oh, get up here, you pussies. Shield wall. Oh no, over here as well.
Get in here! Get down!
Oh,
Go to the left side, push it,
shield
left
wall
side.
in front here.
Have your guy, come on.
Move! Quickly! They're here! They're breached. Form a line.
I don't have a weapon.
Campbell, what's the plan, Campbell? Guys, I'm gonna wait. Wait, people! I'm gonna plant this sapling in honor of us.
Get to the gate. I'm fucking really close to the...
Simon! Bastards killed Simon! Charge!
Form up.
To the last man!
Oh crap.
To the last man!
Back up, Jeff.
Back up.
Go back.
Push through!
We're gonna find weapons.
We need your help.
Behind us.
We're getting our ass kicked, man.
They're gonna be next to useless in this fucking...
Here they come.
They're inside. They're inside.
In the front machine wall!
Close the gates. Close the gates.
Get inside, quickly!
We're surrounded. It's been good, my friends.
Yes.
Guess what I find? Nice. One dead person. Surprise.
Hey, we got horse food. My horse is like, it got fucking.
Push us, push us.
Hold back to the bridge.
Hazo, what are you? Heroes.
Clear the water.
Over at
Push in!
You're not running.
Guys, enter! We're
through! Get him, don't shoot him, shoot him,
I slaughtered them.
I breached the gate, I think.
We're through! And the scorpions, boys, man, the scorpions.
Come here, this way. Wait, there's a guy with a sword and board. Follow me, follow recruit. On recruit, brothers. Nice job, Donut.
We're through! Get in the scorpions.
Fight me. Witness me.